With the appearance of new techniques, treatments, and beauty products, people take care of their appearance more and more. For example, hair removal has evolved and now contains several different techniques. Have you ever noticed the tiny hairs in your nose? No matter how much they may bother you, they play an important role in your health. In today's video, we're going to explain why removing these hairs is not a good idea. There are two types of hairs in your nose, and they're very important. The visible ones that we normally want to pull out, and other extremely small hairs called vibrissa, which are responsible for filtering the mucus and moving it to the back part of your nose. The hairs in the first part of your nose also filter large dust particles that could be breathed in. If you ever remove these hairs, there's nothing there to keep the germs and dust particles from entering into your body and causing an infection. Another problem is the veins located in your nose, which are connected to the veins that transport blood to the brain. If germs reach them, it may cause more serious problems, such as meningitis or a brain abscess. Due to this susceptibility to infections, the area that includes your nose and mouth is known as the danger triangle. Although they're rare, these infections can be quite serious, especially for people with weak immune systems. Furthermore, certain infections can lead to death, depending on their severity. But don't worry, the answer is simple. Instead of pulling out those hairs, just trim them, but be careful not to hurt the skin inside your nose. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.